Alright, so guys, today we are going to be trying to make the orange chicken. I mean, it's an actual
orange chicken.
The orange chicken is a Korean or Chinese food, whatever you want to call it. We're going to try it out to make it ourselves home. So we're going to start off by, we have, let's say, 1 tablespoon of salt. Just go in there. Put it there. And
is this the batter that, the dough that goes around it?
Yes, and we're going to add, let's say, 1/2 tablespoon of white pepper.
So just that is a lot of white pepper.
Yeah. Then, how do you call it? We're gonna add, let's say, I mean, it's not a full
almost
almost a cup of, how do you call it? Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, powdered cornstarch.
Then let's say almost 2 cups of flour. We're gonna also add it in there.
And we're gonna whip it together.
We're gonna whip it together to get all the spice in there.
Alright.
So guys, we whipped it to get the spice and all that type of jazz, really mixed up. So now we're gonna add 1 egg.
1 egg.
Yeah, just bust it. Just put in there. We're gonna add, let's say, almost 1/4 cup of water.
Wait, that's more than a 1/4 cup of water.
Oh, I mean 1.
That's 1 1/4.
1 1/4 cup of water. My bad, guys.
For all of you following along at home.
We're gonna whisk it.
We're gonna turn this into a batter. This is what that powder mixture is gonna look like when you got it all mixed together. Along with a little bit more water, we added in maybe another 1/2 cup of water. So until it gets to this kind of battery consistency, this is what we're gonna coat the chicken in. Alright, added to our batter, we're having some oil. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. There's a 1. And there's a 2. I'm just going to mix that up. Get that all going in there. Because how are you going to have some good Asian Chinese food without a little oil in it?
Chicken breast.
Alright, next we have our finely sliced chicken breast. No bones in there, right?
No, probably.
We gotta take the bones out, man.
Yeah.
We can't have that in the chewing on bones when we're doing orange chicken.
Yeah.
So we'll debone it, and then all that chicken is going in this batter, gonna soak in this batter while we cut up everything else. We're putting the chicken in the batter, and this is gonna chill, like you said, in the batter. All right. And how long is it gonna chill?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. That'll give us plenty of time to cook the rest of our good stuff, right?
Yeah.
We're just using the cut board and we're dicing this up ready for our fried rice. Red pepper. Alright guys, as you can see, we're getting ready to make some veggie fried rice here with some egg added. We got egg and stuff over here. And we're going to be adding it all together with some brown rice. So this is going to be the healthiest fried rice you'll see. And so you can watch our other video to see how that all works out, but we're just going to make this as a side to our orange chicken. So just like yesterday, we're frying up our veggies before we add the rice. Rice is pre-cooked over there. Brown rice and brown basmati rice, that is. And so we're just adding veggies bit by bit till they soften up a bit, and then we keep adding more. Now we got broccoli. Got broccoli, carrots, peppers, onions, garlic, and ginger. And hopefully we'll have enough room for the rice up in here. Alright, so after adding all the veggies, after adding some sesame oil and an egg up in there, and a little bit of salt on top, this is what it's going to look like before you add the rice. And then the rice is just going to mix in and it's all going to absorb into some tasty goodness. Alright, so we have our chilled, coated chicken that we're going to put right into some hot oil here. 350. We got a 400 for now, but as you add pieces, it's going to, of course, bring the temperature down. And we're just going to cook it to, what, a golden brown?
Yeah.
And then they're cooked. Got to cook all the way through, so that's why we have small pieces of chicken, so they cook all the way through. The only problem here is you got to try to separate all these pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see that the chicken is starting to brown up, and we're just kind of making sure we turn them, make sure they're just evenly fried. And we don't want them to get too brown because otherwise it's just going to really just start sopping up all the oil. Alright, I've been calling this orange chicken this whole time, so where's the orange sauce? Well, we're going to start making it right now. Alright, so now we got garlic, we have ginger, we have red pepper flakes. A little bit of oil. Just heating it up. Alright, next is brown sugar. We got a 1/4 cup brown sugar. Then we have a 1/3 cup white sugar, because we don't discriminate. Do brown and white. We're going to kind of get that going. Don't we need some liquid in here?
No, we're just going to keep it going for a little bit.
Okay. So you see we're heating it up until the sugar starts to melt here. Now we're adding a little bit of white wine vinegar. Just about a tablespoon. Hot stuff. And a bit of honey. Oh, that's a lot of honey.
Yeah.
So we have all the different sugars in here with a little bit of vinegar, some pepper, some garlic, some ginger. It smells awesome. Kind of smells like Asian zing. You know what I'm talking about. Next is some soy sauce. Just a little bit. Not too much now. Careful. Oh, there's a lot of soy sauce.
Yeah, because we want really cook that well.
2 tablespoons soy sauce. We heard it from the chef. Orange juice. How much do we have there?
1/4.
1/4 cup.
Yeah. We're gonna let that
We're gonna reduce this
so it gets to like maple syrup.
That's right. It's gonna. We're just gonna boil the water right out of this. Gonna reduce it down to a sticky consistency, and that's gonna be our sauce. Next is our cornstarch. How much cornstarch?
Let's say 1/4 cup.
Another 1/4 cup of water and
another water is just 1/4, the same quantity.
Oh, okay, so 1/4 and 1/4.
Yeah, okay.
And that's gonna basically thicken up this sauce, and then we'll be ready to coat our delicious chicken with it. Yeah. All right, guys, the plot thickens. It's starting to get bubbly here, and now it's thickening up to where we're gonna add our cornstarch and water. And this is going to basically turn into a gravy. See there? Keep reducing. Keep boiling out the water. Alright guys, this looks so awesome. This sauce we have here. We added a little more orange juice, and now we're just going to mix in the chicken. There you go. So we're just going to get a nice coat going here. All these guys.
Go in there, because you're there.
And then we're just going to stir it in. Coat them up. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. I'm sure it's going to taste amazing. I'm taking orders now. Again, just $10, a plate, and $10 shipping and handling. So just send us $20, and you too can enjoy this.
That's our original.
Yeah, that's what you want. They want it all sticking to it, so that it is nice and tasty.
Ooh, ready to go.
All right, so pretty much the heat from the sauce is gonna heat the chicken back up, and we're ready to serve this with our rice. Man, this looks so good. Let's eat. We're trying our orange chicken. We got our fried rice here. Just still warm. Perfect flavoring, not too salty, not too greasy. Got lots of veggies in it and brown rice. Now we gotta try the sauce and orange chicken. Let me enjoy the rice first. Wow. The stickiness, it just sticks to you. It's like sugary and tangy, and also with a little bit of spice. Best orange chicken I've had. There's no way I would ever get Panda Express or mall Chinese food again. Now that I know how to make it myself. And so do you.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. And tune in for more
Enjoy.
Hijacking Season 1.